Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw simple, cartoon faces using basic circles and guidelines. This is one of the easiest and most useful exercises for beginners, because once you understand these simple shapes, you can create unlimited cartoon expressions and characters from different angles. So let's start from the very beginning. First, lightly draw a circle. Don't worry about making it perfect. Loose sketch lines actually help a lot in cartoon drawing. Keep your hand relaxed and move your pencil around the shape several times to build a smoother circle. Now inside the circle, add a vertical curved line. This line shows the direction the face is pointing. Next, draw a horizontal curved line across the circle. This becomes the eye line and helps create the head angle. Notice how both lines curve around the sphere shape. That's what makes the head feel three-dimensional instead of flat. Now let's repeat the same process with more circles. In the second circle, the face turns slightly to the side, so the center line moves more toward the right. In the third circle, the head rotates in another direction. Again, the guidelines change depending on where the character is looking, and in the fourth one, we create another angle variation. This exercise is extremely important because every cartoon face starts with construction lines like these. Professional artists use this method all the time. Now let's turn these simple circles into cartoon characters. Starting with the first face, I sketch the hair shape first. I use big, simple curves to keep the design clean and appealing. Next, I place the eyebrows along the guideline, then the eyes right underneath. Because the head is turned slightly, one eye appears a little smaller than the other. That small detail instantly creates depth. Now I draw the nose using a rounded cartoon shape. Then I add the cheeks and a smiling mouth. Notice how the jawline follows the circle structure underneath. The construction lines help place every feature correctly. Finally, I add the ears on both sides and clean up the outline. Now moving on to the second character. This one has a bigger smile and a more exaggerated expression. Again, I start with the hair. Big shapes first, details later. Then I place the eyebrows and eyes using the guidelines as references. For cartoon faces, expressions are everything. So don't be afraid to exaggerate the mouth, cheeks, or eyebrows. I draw a large, open smile to make the character feel more energetic and happy. The nose overlaps slightly because of the face angle. That overlap helps create perspective. Now for the third face, I want a laughing expression. The eyes are squeezed shut, the cheeks are pushed upward, and the mouth curves into a big smile. Simple curved lines can communicate emotion very powerfully in cartoon art. Now for the final cartoon face. This one looks slightly downward and to the side, so the guidelines shift again. I sketch the hair first, then place the eyes carefully along the curved eye line. One side of the face becomes more visible, while the other side compresses slightly. These tiny perspective adjustments make the drawing feel alive. And that's it. From simple circles and guidelines, we created multiple cartoon faces with different angles and expressions. Don't focus too much on perfection. Focus on construction, flow, and expression. Keep practicing, keep sketching, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next drawing tutorial.